Hey guys, what's up? This is Hamid from It's Made Easy, and yes, we are going to make it easy for you. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to draw this component in SolidWorks in easy steps. Let's start our tutorial now. Hey guys, here we have the 2D part diagram of the 3D part model that we are going to draw in SolidWorks 2015, and today we are going to complete this part model in just 4 steps. And the first step will be the extrude of this right plane section that we have here to a length of 40 mm, and the second part will be the extrude of this front plane section that we have here, the conical section, to a length of 70 mm, and the third followed by the extrusion of this section that we'll be having in the front plane to a length of 26, and finally the fourth part will be the extrude cut of diameter 12 mm to a depth of 16 mm. Let's start with a new part model in SolidWorks 2015. Since it is in right plane, I'm taking the right plane as normal, and for your own information, I'm just taking the center of this line as origin. Now I'm just taking the line command, and here we have length of 13. From here to here they have given here as 12, from here to here 22, this they have given us 20 mm. So I'm just starting from here towards right as told 13, and height of 12 mm, then towards right 22 mm, and towards upward 20 mm. And this direction, this length they haven't given directly, so what am I going to do is I'm just going from here directly to the center of the circle we have here. Okay, and from here what am I going to do is just draw an outer circle of radius 16 mm, and the remaining length should be the length of this line that we have here. And yes, I'm just drawing a circle of radius 16 mm, which is 32 mm diameter. And to make it symmetrical, what am I going to do is just drawing this line and trimming off the unwanted part that we have here, and now just mirroring the whole part with respect to this line, and so we could get the whole section. And here we can notice that they have given a fillet here of, like, they haven't given the dimension exactly, so we should assume that either we can give fillet in 2D diagram and convert it into 3D, or we can just draw the section that we have drawn, convert it to 3D, and after converting to 3D design we can give the fillet command with the help of this command that we have here. We are going to do the second method that I just told. Now we are going to use this fillet command in the 3D part model. And now we are done with the overall section of this first step that we are going to do, and just extruding it to a length of 40 mm. And yes, we are done with the first part, and now from front plane I'm going to draw this section. Okay, I'm taking the front plane as normal, and since they have given a overall length of, from here to here they have given us 35, so I'm just starting the this section from this point here. From here to here they have given us the 35 mm, so I'm just going towards upward 35 mm, and they have given it is made of fillet of radius 25, so we are not going to do that in 2D diagram. We are just considering this section as a whole rectangle of length 20 mm and height 35 mm. What am I going to do is from here I'm just drawing a rectangle of height 35 mm and a length of 20 mm, and just going to extrude that to a length of 70 mm, which is they have given here directly. And since it's symmetric to the front plane, I'm just giving the option mid plane. And yes, we are done with the second part, and the fillet part of this and this we will be giving at the end. And now we have our third part to be done, which is again in the front plane. I'm taking the front plane as normal, and just drawing from, I'm taking the corner rectangle, and the overall length they have given from this point to here is 100, and we have already gone through a length of 40 mm, so I'm just starting from here. Height they have given us 12, and length they have given us 100 minus 40, which is 60, so 12, and length of 60 mm. And here we have an inclination of length after a length of 10 mm, so I'm just going from this point towards left 10 mm, joining towards diagonally, and trimming off the unwanted part that we have here. And yes, we are done with the 2D diagram of the third part that we are going to do now. Again, the extrude with respect to mid plane, so a length of 26, and the section will be this one. Yes, we are done with the third part, and the final part that we have here, extrude cut of the circle of radius, the diameter 12 mm. I'm just taking a circle, diameter 12 mm, and extruded cut to a depth of 16 mm. Yeah, so we are done. And the final most part that we have is the fillet to make here and this section, and the final fillet of here. So I'm just starting with the fillet at here now. It's automatically driven as 10, since it seems to be much bigger than the one they have given here. I'm just shrinking it to 5, which is supposed to be okay lah. And the final the fillet that we have here at a radius of 25 mm, this one clicking, and 25. Yeah, we are there now. And yes, we are done with the today's 3D part model. Hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like our video and share with your friends, and please do subscribe to our channel for more interesting cool updates in near future. Thanks for being here. See you in next session.